Hello, my little superstars. Today we are going to learn basic English Hindi words. Are you ready? Yes, let's begin. Before we begin, do click on the red subscribe button if you haven't to watch fun learning videos every day. Let's get started. Sun, Suraj, Sun, Suraj. Your turn. Very good. Cloud, Badal. Again. Cloud, Badal. Your turn. Very good. Sky, Asman. Again. Sky, Asman. Your turn. Very good. Mountain, Pahad. Again. Mountain, Pahad. Your turn. Very good. Road, Sadak. Again. Road, Sadak. Your turn. Very good. Car, Gadi. Again. Car, Gadi. Your turn. Very good. Chair, Kursi. Again. Chair, Kursi. Your turn. Very good. Book, Kitab. Again. Book, Kitab. Your turn. Very good. Pen, Kalam. Again. Pen, Kalam. Your turn. Very good. Fan, Pankha. Again. Fan, Pankha. Your turn. Very good.